Hi, JAFRA friends. Today I'm here to talk to you about our JAFRA BioLab cleanser. If you haven't heard, it now comes with an updated size and even better price. Isn't it that amazing? Who doesn't love better prices? This is the same formula your clients already know and love, but it aligns with our cleanser collection, featuring a fresh new bottle. That's why we resized the product, but we did not touch the formula. And the benefit to you as a JAFRA consultant is that it's perfect for client reorders and new introductions. And that's what I want to share with you today. How can we introduce this cleanser to our clients that are already using our The Fly cleanser, the Nova Marine? We don't want to sound like they need to replace the cleanser. In fact, it's how can we complement their skincare routine. Washing our face helps remove excesses of oils and dewy debris to prepare our skin for the benefits of other products like our serums, our moisturizers. And today I want to share with you how to recommend the JAFRA BioLab facial cleanser as a complement, not a replacement, to any skincare routine. Have you heard of the double cleansing? If you're already trying that method in your skincare routine, let me know in the chat, because ever since I tried it, I cannot skip that step in my nighttime routine. That's when I do my double cleansing. And what is that? If you haven't heard of the double cleansing, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's cleansing the skin twice rather than once. Double cleansing is a two-step cleansing method that it typically consists of using two cleanser formulas for next level results. What are the benefits? Is that it's going to help you unclog pores. It's going to remove that debris like sweat, dirt, oil, makeup, sunscreen. Your first cleanser that you're already using is going to help you to remove that makeup, that oil, that sunscreen. And the second step, or the second cleanser that we're going to be using, that's when we introduce the JAFRA BioLab cleanser, because this one is going to help to remove impurities without stripping moisture while soothing sensitivity, improving hydration. Isn't it that amazing? Those benefits are amazing for our skincare routine. And like I said, we recommend the double cleansing during your nighttime routine, because during the day, our skin comes in contact with a lot of sunscreen, makeup, sweat, dirt, oil, and even air pollution. But how can we offer that cleanser to our clients? That's where you as a JAFRA consultant come in. You can help them create a bundle of, maybe calling it a cleansing duo. Use their, the cleanser that they're already using, and add the JAFRA BioLab cleanser. And you can bundle those two together to create that double cleansing routine. If you're already doing the double cleansing, why not sharing your social media a short reel on how do you incorporate those two cleansers together, sharing about the benefits, how you love your skin, how it feels. Maybe you feel soft, fresh, hydrated. I don't know. You describe how you feel your skin when you're doing this cleansing routine. And also, if you are a JAFRA consultant that loves to do facials, or that you just love to demo your products, why not start every skincare demo with the JAFRA BioLab cleanser so your clients can really feel the difference? And that's all I have for you today, my friends. Let me know in the chat if you are doing the double cleansing. Which two cleansers are you using? I don't know. I want to hear from you. So thank you, everyone, and I will see you in my next video.